Hey, recognize this logo? Of course you do. Everyone recognizes Apple, and not just Apple. Google, Microsoft, Nike, McDonald's, Coke, all the most successful companies have logos that stick. Because in today's busy world, the right kind of logo is more critical than ever before. But why so critical? Well, 80% of businesses fail in the first 18 months. That means if you're serious about building a business, promoting a service, or simply selling a product, you need it to be recognized for both being trustworthy and unique, pretty much instantly, especially online, where attention and trust are both in very short supply. That's why brands are such big business, and it's why logos are so valuable. It's why companies with hard-to-manage reputations pay $211 million for a new logo, without so much as a second thought. And it's why Pepsi laid down a cool $1 million to try and compete with Coke. There's even rumors that Steve Jobs blew a massive chunk of his early days marketing budget on the Apple logo, and we all know how that turned out. But seriously, did you see the original? So the power of a good logo is plain to see, and it's why you should consider making your logo design an important part of your business plan. Because get it right and you're golden, but get it wrong and you're toast. The problem is designers don't come cheap. Designers know they're a valuable commodity, and so they don't mind charging you top dollar for even simple designs. Because they know most entrepreneurs didn't study graphic design, and most business owners are too time poor to learn. And why should you? That's not your business, right? Your business is making money, not drawing, not design. But does that mean you should take a chance with your image? No way. Even if you've got the time and the desire to try and create your own logo, don't do it. Creative as you might be, if you're not a trained graphic designer, it's gonna show. Of course, hiring a designer is always an option, but there's a problem too. You pay top dollar for a designer to create a single design, and what you get back might be good, but is it great? Not usually, and that's simply because your expensive new logo represents what the designer thinks about your business, not what you think about your business. And then there's services like 99 Designs, where you can crowdsource. Now this is actually a pretty good idea. You get lots of options to choose from, you get to pick the best of the bunch, and if you only had to pay $199 once, that might not be too bad. But sadly, that's not the case. You have to pay at least $199 every time you need a new design for a new product or service, not to mention the long wait for delivery. And we've used 99 Designs before, and while we liked the idea, we didn't like those problems. We're paying too much and it takes too long. So we started looking into how we can take the simple concept of 99 Designs and automate it. Most people told us that this wasn't going to be possible, and they're wrong. This is Brandrr, and it's available for only the next 4 days. Brandrr is a cloud-based software you can access anywhere to create professional logos in seconds without any design skill at all. The best bit is you only need to pay once and you can get as many logos as you need for life. It's a dream for product creators and serial entrepreneurs who create and sell multiple products and brands. It's the ideal solution for business owners looking to cement an identity. And if you're a local marketing consultant or a brand creator, then Brandrr is an incredible addition because it lets you instantly create ideas to wow your clients and bring more business through the door. Even professional designers can pull massive value from Brandrr's commercial license, because it lets you serve more clients faster while doing less work, and it even lets you take full control of customization to add your own unique flair. Let me show you how it works. First, simply log on to the app and go ahead and click Automate. You do have an option to create a logo from scratch, but first let's start with automating a logo. Then, simply type in the name of your product, brand, or your business and select a category from the drop-down menu that relates to your brand. Then, simply hit Generate. Brandrr will then go ahead and spit out various designs that you can go ahead and download instantly to your desktop if you love them, or you can even further go ahead and edit them to make final tweaks to really polish up the logo. Once you're done, simply export the logo and voila, you've got your brand new logo literally within minutes. It's like 99 designs, except you don't have to wait a week to get your designs, and it won't cost you $199 every time you need a new logo, because once you have Brandrr, every logo is free and instant for life. Remember, if you don't want to automate a logo right away, you can actually create a logo from scratch by using the powerful inbuilt Canvas editor. The Canvas editor is pretty much like any other expensive software tool that allows you to create graphical elements. This is where you can let your creativity run free and create various different types of logos from scratch if you really want to have that unique design. But to be honest, you may never need the full power of the Canvas editor because the professional templates, icons and graphics that Brandrr brings together creates logos that are simply stunning all by itself. Just one of the templates we had designed cost between $30 and $40, and there's more than 150 of them inside of Brandrr. So you can just imagine how much value we've stacked into this powerful app. And look, Brandrr doesn't just save you money, it makes you money too. If you've got an eye for creating extra revenue streams, or if you're already selling logos, the commercial license lets you sell more logos at a phenomenal rate, with hardly any effort on your part at all. Because at the end of the day, every business needs a logo if it's going to stand out. And when you're getting between $50, $60, maybe even $100 for a couple of minutes of work, you could easily undercut the market and sell logos hand over fist, because unlike your competition, all you're doing is clicking a mouse button or two. But listen up, because this is important. Remember, I said Brandrr is only available to the public for 4 days. That's the truth of the matter, and it means we won't be selling Brandrr anywhere after these 4 days are up. And honestly, right now we don't know when or even if it'll ever be available again. So if you need a logo for your business, or you expect to sell a product or service in the future, or you just want to set up a business selling logos, then this is the lowest price you'll ever see, and it's very possible this is the only time you'll ever be able to get access. Make sure your business always has the image, identity, and professional feel it deserves. Don't miss out on this exclusive product offering. Click the blue button below now.